Hi viewer, this is Salman and you're watching Zettalysis. In this video I have this one of the latest Infinix models loaded with Android 15, and here you can see that it is stuck on the FRP lock, that is factory reset protection, that is loaded by the Google after a lollipop Android 5. In this video I will show you how to completely remove this FRP lock on this Android 15 that works on any Infinix model, can be Tecno and Itel also, and this all procedure is for free, not going to cost a single penny from your pocket, and it will completely remove the FRP lock. Also you can log in Playstore with your Google account, or you can create a new one too. It's not a kind of a bypass, it is a complete and perfect free removal of Android 15. This video is going to be amazing for you, so without any further ado, let's jump into. Here you can clearly see that it's locked with FRP, and a small locked icon is visible on the top left corner of the status bar of the phone. Here I will dually verify the FRP lock on this phone, so quickly jump to the next steps. First quickly connect with a wireless network. After connecting, just hit the next, and here you can see that getting your phone ready. It will just take a while. I'm fast forwarding this section to save your precious time. Don't copy and skip all the things that you can, and after that you will reach here on this screen which is saying that your phone was reset to factory settings. To use this phone, enter your previous pattern or either use your previous Google account. So we know that we already forgotten our screen lock and our Google account too, so then this content is going to help to you. So just step back to the home screen. I'm not asking to subscribe my channel forcefully. You will hit the subscribe by yourself if you feel that this is going to be beneficial for you in the near and far future. To remove its FRP lock, we need a few things: a computer or a laptop, a USB cable, drivers, and a tool that is free and insanely working and completely removing the Android 15 FRP. That is not less than a magic in current years when I am creating this content, but this tool is giving a full FRP unlock without a single penny. I by myself giving the heartfelt credits to the developers of this software. In a while I will get back to you my computer screen, then I will show you the software working into the whole process, so be with me. First of all, shut down the phone and put it aside. So now come to my Windows interface. Here we need a USB-C cable, as now the USB-C is the international standard for all phones, and put this into your PC port and be ready for the next processes. Here in this desktop, we need to download this Android utility version that should be greater than 200.1. The version is depending on that when you are watching my video in future. Extract, I already extracted on my desktop. Now open this folder. From here just run this Android utility X. This is the main software. Here you can see that the main software interface is now loaded. As I have this phone with a MediaTek chipset, so just go to this MediaTek tab, go to this meta mode, go to this main tab, and here just hit this meta wipe FRP, Infinix, Tecno and Itel. It is not a bypass. Do remember that it's not a bypass, it's a complete removal and free. That's insane when I'm recording this tutorial for you. Nowhere I saw that if anyone is offering free complete FRP removal of Android 15 till now. Now without holding any keys, just plug this USB into your phone. Soon the software will boot it into the meta mode. Here the boot mode is clearly visible to you. Put your phone aside, the software will do the rest for you. Just wait for a great magic to be happen. Here in the log box, you can clearly see that now it's removing the screen lock and also removing the FRP of this phone that is on Android 15. Here now it is booting into the system. The first boot will take a few minutes to land on the home screen, but don't be panic. I will fast forward this section to save your precious time. Now it landed on the home screen. Here now I skip the initial steps, and here you can see that also the small lock icon is now removed from the status bar of this phone. agree to the terms and conditions, and skip all the remaining things as much as you can. I am doing this in a fast forward manner to save your precious time again. And main thing is that now you can see the skip button even on this Wi-Fi connection page. That is uncommon when it is FRP locked. The links for the essential softwares and the drivers required in this procedure will be mentioned in the description below, so you can easily download from there. If you have any queries, questions, and you need a personal assistance, so you can DM me on my social media. After skipping all the things, now it's ready to rock. Now it landed on the home screen. I have Infinix Hot 60i in my hands. I will confirm its model number in the settings. Here you can see that it is Infinix Hot 60i, and I'll show you the remaining details. That it is Infinix X6728B, and it has a Helio G81 chipset, and the most important thing, the software version of this phone. And here you can see that loaded with Android 15, and this phone is loaded with October 2025 security patch. You can see this classical Android 15 logo here. And now I will verify it for you that the Play Store is working, the password in the settings is working or not. So first, after connecting the Wi-Fi network, I will try to add a Google account. Here you can see that I am adding, and also you can see that the create account button is also functioning. I entered my account, skipping the remaining things, and from here I will also verify the downloads from here. For example, I'm downloading this WhatsApp Messenger and it is working. And also in the settings I will show you that the passwords and the screen locks can also be changed. Here you can see that I am able to put a new security screen lock on this phone. I really hope that with the help of this content you got a new working free tool. If you are really with me till now, I have a strong hope that you are really enjoying this content and you're not going without hitting the subscribe. Also, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next. So until then, keep smiling.